Hello everyone around the world. So today we have a small phone. We have this Itel phone. This is coming from a rural customer, and what the customer is saying, um, he's saying this phone is not working. The phone is powering on, but it's not working. That's what he said to me. So let's see. Pressing the power on, it's coming on. You can see the Itel logo. He told me the pin 1, 2, 3, 4. The battery is almost at 50-60%. I'll show you the error, the problem of this phone. Let's plug it on charger. It's taking 460 milliamps. It's charging. Let's just wait. You see this error message: over battery temperature. Over battery temperature. So how are we going to fix this? Huh? There's no big deal about this error message. There's no big deal about this error message. So what is happening here is very simple. So after a while, when you turn on the phone, you try to put on charger. After a certain period of time, like seconds, we are getting this error message, and the phone will shut down. In mostly, this is some kind of error caused by fault sensors. Yeah, you know, here when you open the phone, let's take out the battery. We have the plus. We have three terminals here: one for the plus, one for the minus, and the middle pin. The middle pin, that's the NTC pin, negative temperature coefficient, which is going through some kind of resistors, thermistors, which are sensing if everything is okay, the phone will charge fine. But if those resistors they are fault, you get some kind of error message, like battery, over battery temperature, and we have to fix this. We have to fix this. We have to fix this. So how are we going to fix this? It's very simple. How we are going to fix this is very simple. My electronic screwdriver is not working, so I'm using it as manual. I don't know why. Just stop working. So this has to be a quick repair. The phone is very small. We don't have too much time to spend on such kind of faults. We must go straight to the fault and try to fix it as quick as we can. We need to get inside this. Or do you want to test one more time? Maybe this time it's working. On. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You can't use this phone unless the error is fixed. It's like seconds. We have a pop-up message. Battery temperature too low. So we still have the error message. You see the error message over battery temperature. So here we have two methods how we can fix this. We have two methods. The first method that we can do, we can use a resistor. We can look for a 10 kilo ohms resistor. Let me see. We can connect a 10 kilo ohms resistor to ground, or let's go on a microscope. Let's try to look for a resistor firstly. Because if we can get a resistor, that will be fine. I have like some few resistors here which we can test. Let's test this resistor. $325 ohms. That's not. We want a 10 kilo ohm resistor. What about this one? The problem, those resistors, they are too small. Uh, 9.9 kilo ohms. That's the resistor that I'm looking for. So the solution is very simple. We'll connect this resistor straight away to ground. We are connecting our resistor to ground. we need to do the proper soldering here. So now dealing with small things is so hard. So this is just a 10 kilo ohms resistor that I'm shorting to ground, or you can use an external diode and you short it to ground. Maybe this method won't work for you. So what I've done here, we just put a 10 kilo ohms resistor to ground from the E.T.C pin, which is the middle pin, to ground. Or you can use an external diode. You can use this diode. You see this diode, you can connect two wires here, the one on the connected on the middle pin, and then the other one to ground. If you don't want to use this 10 kilo ohm resistor, you can use this protecting diodes. You remember this diode? It will do the job. So now maybe we need to insulate that. Where is my glue stick? Let's insulate this. That glue is enough for insulation. So let's test. I feel this error is a common fault, especially on those small Itel phones. It's a very common fault because the sensors, they are getting faulty. At the end you are stressed, you can't fix, you can't, maybe you don't know how to trace to find those sensors. That's all what you have to do to save your time, because your phone will still work fine. Battery. Now we won't see that message again. when you put this phone on charger, the message has to disappear. I'm 100% sure because I've been fixing this fault for so many times, but I just found it necessary just to share. Maybe it can help someone outside there. Power on the phone. The phone is coming on. Plug the phone on charger. It's taking 45 milliamps, 450 milliamps, and the phone is charging. At this moment, we can wait and wait and wait and wait, but that message over battery temperature is not going to come. So that is the only way how you can fix such kind of problem. We can wait for minutes, seconds. The phone is now charging. There's no that error message anymore. So that was the repair. Yeah, it's charging. Fine. That error was coming in seconds, maybe 30 to 40 seconds after you have put it on charger, was popping up. But now it's now more than a minute. We can't see that error message again. So this is a successful repair. So like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. I just wanted to share how you can treat such kind of I can say small fault, but if you don't know what to check, it can be complicated. See you on the next one. Bye.